Can you all see? Okay, okay. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, we'll begin now. This is what we had done in the earlier lecture. So quickly, we'll have a recap of the earlier lecture. We have understood till now what is a business policy and seen the difference between strategy and policy. Strategy is action oriented and policy is decision oriented. Correct. Then we went on to see what is strategic intent, the intention of the company or the purpose of the company. Now, this intent has a hierarchy which is divided as vision, mission, goals, objectives, and plans. And we have seen in detail each of these parts of the strategic intent. Now, let us see what is the difference between a goal and the objective. See, vision, mission, these are very broad in nature. To achieve them, we require goals. Again, goals are broad in nature. To achieve them, you require objectives. And for achieving the objectives, you require plans. So that is why this is a hierarchy. When you look at this diagram or picture, you will see that goals are broad in nature, right? And objectives are little narrower. They are more specific. So we have done all this in the last lecture. And the last part in the hierarchy was business plan, which is very, very specific. There are going to be many business plans which are going to help you to meet your objectives, goals, mission, vision, and so on. Okay. Yesterday, we had also seen the definition of strategy in detail given by Alfred Chandler and Michael Porter. This was what we had concentrated on in yesterday's lecture. The three different levels of strategy. First level is the corporate level. Second is the business level, or it is also called the SBU level. Third is the operational or the functional level. Now, when you look at this picture, this diagram over here, this becomes very clear. You have a multinational organization which is having several business lines or product lines. So when this organization makes the policies or makes the strategies for the whole organization, those strategies fall under the corporate level strategy. Okay. And when the business has several product lines, like here you have SBUA, SBU stands for Strategic Business Unit, right? So SBUA, SBUB, SBUC, and so on. The strategies made by this particular SBU for its own product line come under business level or the SBU strategies. Each of these SBUs will have different departments to carry out their functions properly, smoothly. Each of these departments will have their own strategies. For example, finance department will have its own strategy, marketing department will have a marketing strategy, and so on. Okay, so this third level is your functional level strategy. So there are three levels of strategy: corporate level, business level, and functional level. This is where we had stopped yesterday with the explanation of corporate level strategy, business strategy, and functional strategy. Now we are going ahead and trying to understand what is a strategic business unit. Okay, SBU. You just look at this picture over here. Where is this SBU? At the second level, right? You have the corporate office, the headquarters, under which you have the different SBUs, different businesses. Like for example, we had seen the example of ITC, and you had told me that it has several businesses. One of that was hotel industry, the other was cigarette, other was soaps, and so on, right? So each of these will have a different set of strategies. The SBU which is manufacturing atta, Ashirwad atta, will have different set of strategy. The SBU which is manufacturing cigarettes will have a different set of strategies. So this level is called the strategic business unit, which we are trying to understand today. Okay, so what is a strategic business unit or SBU? SBU is a business unit within the overall corporate identity. पूरा जो organization है उसके अंदर का जो दूसरे जो ये है छोटे छोटे businesses या छोटे नहीं बड़े भी हो सकते हैं which are having their own different identity. They are distinguishable from other businesses. जैसे cigarette and atta. both are different businesses, but under ITC only, because it serves a defined external market where the management can conduct strategic planning in relation to product and market. In simple words, SBU is something which is having its own identity, separate identity. It is having its own unique business, and it is having its own unique market, and therefore it is having its own unique business strategies. SBU has its own business strategy, its own objectives, competitors, सब कुछ different है उसका, and these will often be different from those of the parent company. SBUs are self-contained divisions. It is a company on its own. पूरा एक organization है formed within the organization for dealing with specific business concerns with full profit and loss responsibility invested in the top management of the unit. The purpose behind formation of SBU is to serve a clear and defined market segment along with a clear and defined strategy. When the companies become really large, they are best managed as organization of a number of businesses. Okay, so this might look a little complex to you, but it is not at all complex. We are going to see lots of examples very soon. So this will be very, very clear to you. Okay, so in simple language, what is an SBU? SBU is a business unit within the corporate identity. It is the second level if you look at the levels of strategies, and this SBU has its own objectives, they have their own competitors, they have their own business strategy. Now these SBUs or the strategic business units may have different types of strategies. In unit 2 we are going to learn all different types of strategies, but just to give you an idea, over here I have just put a slide where you have some primary strategies. जैसे कि कोई भी business unit है, उसको उसका पर्पस क्या हो सकता है, दे वांट टू बी डिफरेंट, दे वांट टू बी यूनिक, यू नो, दे वांट कस्टमर्स टू बाय द प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम देम. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आशीर्वाद आटा कोई ले ले आप, सो आशीर्वाद आटा क्यों डिफरेंट है? देर आर सो मेनी अदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, कंपनीज विच आर सेलिंग आटा, बट व्हाई पीपल प्रिफर आशीर्वाद आटा? So that is the differentiating point. They have created this differentiation. That is their primary strategy. Okay, cost may also be one of the strategies. You would like to have a low cost compared to your competitors. Then other supporting strategies, business strategies could be innovation, growth, alliances. Alliances in the sense, if you want to, expand, then you may buy another organization doing the same business, or you may get into a joint venture and so on. So at present, don't be very much bothered about these different types of strategies, because we are going to learn all of them one by one in the second unit. Just to give you a idea, a taste of what is this SBU level strategies, I have just put this slide. Now we are going to see some examples. Here I will just show you my complete the slide, and then we'll go to the we'll search on Google. Okay, so here we have an example of Dabur. Okay, Dabur is a corporate organization which is having several business lines. देखो यहाँ पे oral care है, उसके बाद है baby and skin care, उसके बाद है health supplement. Okay, so if you take this as one SBU, this is SBU A, SBU B, SBU C. समझ में आ रहा है? Right? What is this strategic business unit? All of these are under Dabur only. Dabur is the organization, and under that they have these different product lines which can be called as their SBUs. So in oral care, again you have Dabur red paste, then you have Babool toothpaste, right? So एक SBU उसके अंदर दूसरे दो products है. These are the product lines. Then in the second SBU you have baby and skin care, where you have Dabur Ayurvedic baby range, then Gulabari skin care range, herbal and medicated soap. इसके अंदर बहुत सारा और products रहेगा, product line रहेगा. And the third SBU is health supplement, जिसमें आएगा Dabur Chyawanprash, glucose, honey, and so on. So if you look at this, the strategies which are used by oral care, यानी Dabur Red टूथपेस्ट मैन्युफैक्चर करने के लिए, मार्केट करने के लिए, सेल करने के लिए जो स्ट्रैटेजीज बनेगा, और च्यवनप्राश मैन्युफैक्चर और सेल करने के लिए जो स्ट्रैटेजीज बनेगा, बिल्कुल अलग होगा. You're getting the point? But all of them are under Dabur only. They are all SBUs only of Dabur. But they will have their unique strategies. ये जो oral care है उनका different strategies रहेगा. Health sector जो है उसका different strategies रहेगा. You are getting the point? So SBU under that organization will have its own different strategies. They will have their own competitors, own production strategies, HR strategies, and so on. So this is the example of an SBU. Here in detail, all the product lines of Dabur are mentioned, where you have hair oil, जिसमें hair oil के अंदर भी देखो कितना सारा है, वाटिका, आमला, सरसों and so on. Shampoo है उसके अंदर भी कितना सारा different है. Baby care, skin care में वाटिका fairness, then गुलाबरी, वाटिका fairness face pack, and so on, right? So each of these SBUs, ये जो है वो SBU है, right? Home care, hair oil, shampoo, बेबी केयर, डाइजेस्टिव, उसके डाइजेस्टिव में भी देखो हाजमोला, हिंगोली, पुदीनहरा, कितना सारा प्रोडक्ट्स है, राइट? सो ईच ऑफ दीज एसबीयूज विल हैव देयर ओन यूनिक strategies because they have to function in their different way. They cannot like oral care cannot function just like shampoo, or shampoo cannot function like digestive SBU, right? So these are the different SBUs of Dabur. Okay. हाँ अभी I was just wanted to explain to you one second ना. हाँ, I just wanted to explain to you this part, that is what is an SBU properly. Now anybody has any questions related to this SBU? SBU के बारे में कुछ आपको समझना है or is this concept clear to everyone? Okay, then who will explain to me what is an SBU? In your own words, can you please explain what is an SBU? Quickly, huh? Anyone? Unmute yourself and please explain. Huh? Kavya, you will try? Kavya, are you there? Are you listening? Simran, can you try? Anyone? What is the full form of SBU? Can someone tell me?
Ma'am?
हाँ, बोलो बोलो.
Ma'am, SBU means strategic business units.
Correct.
Correct. These units are one parent company that is corporate office, which owns different units. These are sub units like parent company. You have given the example of Dabur company. In Dabur is the corporate office, and under Dabur there are many oral cares, baby cares, products. So these are
Correct.
SBUs.
Right. Very good. Who was answering? Let me know your name.
Ma'am, I'm Paras.
Paras. Okay, Paras. Yeah, you gave a correct answer, Paras. Very good. Now what we will do is, I will just again share my screen and we will Google one or two companies so that you can find out from net later on the company of your choice and then find out its product lines. Okay, can you see this screen of mine? दिख रहा है ये?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is Dabur. ये देखो डाबर का लोगो दिख रहा है इधर आपको?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
हाँ, right. So now see, I'm searching over here. देखो about, when I click over here, no? So you will get vision, mission, सब कुछ दिखेगा. आपको दिख रहा है लेफ्ट साइड पे? हिस्ट्री, कॉर्पोरेट प्रोफाइल, विजन, मिशन, पॉलिसीज वगैरह, right? So this is how you have to search when an assignment is given to you. Go to that particular company and search like this. Vision, mission कहाँ से search करना है? यहाँ से search करना है. Okay. Now let's see the products. अभी ये दिख रहा है तुमको products,
Yes.
right? हाँ, so यहाँ पे see, health supplement is one SBU, digestive is one SBU, shampoo is another SBU, hair oil is another SBU, skin care is the next, food, oral care, OTC and ethical and home care. इसके अंदर देखो, अभी शैम्पू अगर लेते हो आप तो उसके अंदर कौन सा प्रोडक्ट्स है? आलमंड शैम्पू, वाटिका हेल्थ शैम्पू, वाटिका ब्लैक शाइन, वाटिका एंटी डैंड्रफ शैम्पू. सो ये SBU है, उसके अंदर ये प्रोडक्ट्स है. ये SBU है फूड, उसके अंदर है रियल एक्टिव होममेड. हेल्थ सप्लीमेंट जो है उसके अंदर है डाबर च्यवनप्राश, डाबर हनी, डाबर ग्लूकोज, डाबर इम्यूनिटी किट. यू आर गेटिंग द पॉइंट नाउ? See, actually, we are on the website of Dabur and looking at the things. Yeah, this is website, live website दिखा रही हूँ मैं आपको. ठीक है? Now let us see ITC now. इस तरह से आप कोई भी कंपनी को सर्च कर सकते हो. So this is ITC. You're seeing the logo of ITC यहाँ पे? Yes. Right? So see here, if I want to know the vision mission, I have to click over here. If I want to find their corporate strategies, देखो यहाँ पे अभी corporate strategies हमारा जब भी आएगा, then again I will take you here again and we will search. Now we want to understand what is their business. Now you can see कौन सा business है. Can somebody just tell me looking at the screen? Anybody will try? You have to read the title. Title read करना है आपको. बोलो.
Fast moving consumer goods.
फास्ट मूविंग कंज्यूमर गुड, FMCG इट इज कॉल्ड इन शॉर्ट. यस. उसके बाद हेडिंग क्या है उसके बाद वाला?
Packaging.
पैकेजिंग. यस, दैट इज द सेकंड SBU. देन
Group
नीचे
company.
देखो. हाँ नहीं, ग्रुप कंपनी इज द लिस्ट ऑफ कंपनी. नो, पैकेजिंग के नीचे देखो क्या है?
Agri business.
एग्री बिजनेस. या दिस इज द थर्ड SBU. उसके नीचे देखो कैपिटल में क्या है?
Agri commodities and rural services.
हाँ, ऑल दिस इज इनसाइड एग्री बिजनेस. जो कैपिटल में है ना, एग्री बिजनेस के नीचे देखो अभी क्या है? You have information technology. Yes. Yes. And go to the left side. Under FMCG, you have hotels. Under hotels, you have paperboard and specialty papers. You understanding now? These are all SBUs of ITC. समझ में आ रहा है? Right? So ITC is the main organization. It is a multinational organization, MNC, having a different diverse businesses. And within that we have SBUs. One is FMCG, other is hotel, other is paperboard, other is packaging, then you have agribusiness, then you have IT, and then you have ITC brand world. ठीक है? And within each of these you have their own products. Like FMCG में देखो कितना सारा और छोटा छोटा SBUs है. Cigarettes, food, personal care, education and stationery, lifestyle retailing, safety matches, agarbatti and dhoop. देखो. See, when you go on the website, then you will understand कि कितना diverse है उसका business ये organization का, right? So when I tell you to do any assignments, I expect you to search like this, right? You go to that particular organization's website, find out its business, find out its mission, vision, and you can go on. बहुत सारा चीज आपको यहाँ से मिल जाएगा. Okay? So this is exactly what you are supposed to do when your assignments are given. Okay. So this is about strategic business unit, giving you live examples. So I guess till now everybody is clear about this. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.